The major field of physiology that I work in is the heart and cardiac research. But that's a branch of a bigger field of science, the mechanics, mechanobiology. All your body muscles and your bones and the strong parts of your tissues are under tension. Every cell is. But if I got into this thinking about the big question, how do muscles adapt? How does the heart adapt in health and disease? Cardiovascular disease is the world's biggest killer, but the heart responds to load, to exercise. And so that adaptation, the fundamental understanding of that is what can help us know how to compensate for a diseased heart. My name is Brenda Russell, and I'm a professor of physiology and biophysics at the University of Illinois, Chicago. What detailed work we do in the lab are using heart cells from animals and trying to mimic conditions in health and disease to find out how the load of that we put on a muscle changes the way it responds. And this is the essence of exercise for a normal heart or compensating an end-stage disease. And so this means we use molecular biology, biophysics, a lot of imaging, and try to use every approach we can to understand how the heart works from the basic molecular level all the way up to the whole heart, including some work with colleagues on human heart. This is very exciting on a day-to-day basis. The question I often get asked is, what are you doing in the lab today that's going to cure, Grandpa's heart disease this week? Because he's got it now. It doesn't work like that. In my career, the findings that we came across almost randomly, we didn't expect to discover what we found. And those are the ones that have ended in forming a company and leading to potential cures. It wasn't the things the short goals, saying, what do we know we need in a clinical trial or how many people respond this way to a drug? It's much earlier than that. How do the cells respond to work, and how do they use those signals of work to remodel their activity, their function, and how can we boost that to give a little edge for someone, that grandpa who's got the heart disease?